plot. So how to draw the Nyquist plot for the given open loop transfer function. So these are the steps to follow to draw the Nyquist plot. First point, draw the polar plot. Second point, draw the mirror image of polar plot with respect to real axis without changing direction. Third point, the starting point of mirror image is the ending point of polar plot, and the ending point of mirror image is the starting point of polar plot. And the fourth point, if the number of poles are zeros at the origin, draw the semicircle with infinite radius in clockwise direction. So fifth point, number of semicircle is equal to number of pole or origin, number of poles or zeros at the origin. These are the steps to follow the draw the Nyquist plot. So take down the first problem. Draw the Nyquist plot. Draw the Nyquist plot for the open loop transfer function g of s is equal to 1 divided by s plus 1. So first step is to draw the polar plot for this particular function. So already we put 3 videos on polar plot. So similar way we need to produce same step need to follow to draw the polar plot for this particular function. Steps are follows. Finally we get the polar plot like this. Here in black color, from omega is equal to 0 starting point, when omega is equal to infinity, here the ending point. So now we need to draw the mirror image. Starting point of mirror image is ending point of polar plot. This is the ending point of polar plot. We need to start from here. This mirror image simply symmetrical about real axis. So symmetrical about real axis. So ending point of polar plot is the starting point of mirror image, and ending point of mirror image is the starting point of polar plot. So like this we can draw. So now move to the next problem. Draw the Nyquist plot for the open loop transfer function given. So again first step is to draw the polar plot for this particular function. We get the polar plot, this black color, starting from omega is equal to 0 to omega is equal to infinity. So now we need to draw the mirror image with respect to real axis. Starting point of mirror image is the ending point of polar plot, and ending point of mirror image is the starting point of polar plot. So problem 1 and problem 2, there is no pole and zeros at the origin. So for that, no encirclement semicircle about the plot. So for this two problem, there is no zeros and pole at the origin, so there is no semicircle. So now move to the third problem. Draw the Nyquist plot for the following function open loop transfer function g of s is equal to k divided by s into 1 plus st1 into 1 plus st2, k is greater than 0. So again same step follow to draw the polar plot. While drawing polar plot we get this curve, black color, from omega is equal to 0, it starts from here, and omega is equal to infinity into here. So now we need to draw the Nyquist plot. Simply draw the mirror image with respect to real axis, and the ending point of polar plot is the starting point of mirror image. This is the ending point of polar plot. So we need to start along the direction to get the mirror image. So in this problem only one pole at the origin. So for that we need to draw the one semicircle with the radius infinity in the right hand side of S plane. We need to draw like this. This is the final answer for this particular problem. And fourth one, draw the Nyquist plot for the following open loop transfer function. G of s is equal to s squared into s plus 1. So again we need to follow this, draw the polar plot. So for this particular function we get the polar plot from starting from here omega is equal to 0 to omega is equal to infinity. This black is the polar plot. So now first step is to take mirror image of this polar plot. So starting point of mirror image is the ending point of polar plot. This is the ending point of polar plot. We need to start from here and ending towards the starting point of polar plot. But here two poles at the origin, so we need to draw two circle. So from this we get one semicircle, and with respect to another one is like this. We need to draw like this. And last problem, draw the Nyquist plot for the open loop transfer function g of s is equal to 1 plus s the whole square divided by s cube. So again for polar plot these are the steps to be followed, and we get the polar plot like this when omega is equal to 0 starting from here and end towards when omega is equal to infinity here. So first step is to take mirror image of this polar plot. So we starting point of mirror image is the ending point of polar plot. This is the starting point and the end point. So here number of encirclement is 3. So for that, one is from this loop. We need to draw two more loop for that. So we need to, so here the direction is very important. So along the direction, no change in direction, we need to bring like this, the closed to like this. So here and totally 3 encirclement, because here number of pole at the origin is 3. So next video on stability related to Nyquist plot. Thank you.